Today we're going to take a look at the Nest Signature Hybrid from Nest Bedding. Now, if you've been following our site for any length of time, you know that this mattress consistently ranks high. In fact, the whole brand ranks high. And the reason being is that they always strive to incorporate the latest generation technology into their mattresses. And the Nest Signature Hybrid is no exception. In fact, they even have a layer for customization on each side of the mattress. So let's take a look. Now, when we opened and tested out this mattress, I found it to be a little bit softer than a typical medium firm would be. So that makes it excellent for side sleeping. In terms of temperature regulation, I found it that it is prone to sleeping a little bit warmer, and that's just because you are enveloped by that mattress. But keep in mind, Nest uses, again, latest generation technology, so you are getting phase change material throughout those top layers, and that's going to help mitigate some of that heat retention, help some of that heat transfer out of the mattress. And in terms of motion transfer, if you have a partner that tends to move around a lot, there is springs. It's a hybrid mattress, so you may notice a little bit of motion transfer, but keep in mind there are pocket coils. All of those coils are individually wrapped, so if they're moving around on one side of the bed, it's not really going to affect the coils on the other side. So that will keep it down, but you will feel a little bit more motion transfer than foam. Now, the other thing I like about this mattress is that the top layer is customizable. So even though we ordered a medium firm, your partner could get a different firmness for their size. So each of you get the right firmness, and it's all going to work together. Now, with some online brands, it's really hard to determine where your mattress is made. With Nest Bedding, it's proudly made in the USA. In fact, they let me tour their factory down in Phoenix, Arizona, and I was really impressed with how efficient their operation was, how clean of a factory, how modern the equipment was. And that all just gives you peace of mind. They're indicators that you're getting quality product, quality materials. And so when your mattress is made, it's not just sitting on a shelf for months, it's not sitting in a shipping container for months on end at sea. And then when it gets to your door, that means it's going to spring to life right away. And you're going to have very little off-gassing. You're going to be able to sleep on it probably that night. So like I said before, Nest is always on the lookout for next-gen material to incorporate into their mattresses. And the Signature Hybrid is really no exception. So starting off with the cover, you get a 1/4 inch of 4-pound gel-infused foam. And this is a phase change cover, so it's going to be cool to the touch. 4-pound foam is a very durable foam, and it's going to provide a lot of pressure relief. Now underneath that, you get 3 inches of their 3.5 Titan Chill Endurance foam. And this is the layer that you can swap out for comfort. So they can make this layer firmer or softer, and they do it at a split. So one side can be firm for you, softer for your partner, firmer for your partner. There's a lot of option for customization there. Now underneath that, you get 1 inch of the 3-pound Smart Support foam, and that's just going to provide that nice transition so that you sink in, but not too much. You don't feel like you're drowning in the mattress. Underneath that, you get the 8 inches of the Quantum coils. The Quantum coils are designed so they have superior edge support, and it's zoned so you get good support along your hips and good pressure relief up by your shoulders and down by your legs. Underneath that, you get 1 inch of that base support foam. Again, that's just so you don't have coils just hitting the slats. You get a nice piece of sturdy foam for even support throughout. All in all, it's a phenomenal, unique feel with some of the greatest materials out there. The Nest Alexander Hybrid retails at $12.99 for a queen. And when you compare that to other mattresses of similar construction, it's a really good value. And the reason being is not only is it great next-gen material, it comes with a 100-night trial, and beyond that, they have what they call their forever guarantee. What that basically means is as long as you're a Nest customer, you bought this mattress, you can choose from a number of other Nest products at half price at any time. So 5 years down the road, you want to exchange it or you're just tired of it, you can get another brand new one for half price. So in conclusion, I'm a really big fan of the Nest Hybrid. I really like that all the materials add up to a very comfortable feel, and you get the customization at the top layer. So if your partner likes firm, you like softer, you can switch out those layers so you get the right comfort level to keep each of you happy and you're both sleeping on the exact same mattress. Now, the best thing you can do is try this mattress out in person. We've got a store, a Sleep Sherpa store here in Minneapolis and one in Chicago. There's also 10 Nest beddings throughout the country where you can try this out as well. Now, if you're not near any of those stores, just head on over to sleepsherpa.com. You can get the latest discount codes, the full review, and see how it compares to the rest of the mattresses on the website.